All right, gang, here we are at European Motors. We're going to do a walk around and test drive on this beautiful all-wheel drive 2018 Alfa Romeo Giulia. This is 2018 with only 18,000 miles. This was locally traded. Got a gorgeous color combo. What do they call this gray, Susie?
Vesuvio gray.
Vesuvio gray. Cool Italian name. And the neat thing about this one, this has red interior. So there's a little story behind this. This was actually a customer acquisition buyback from Alfa Romeo for quality. Also known as a lemon law buyback. So the person that traded this in bought it from, I think, an Alfa dealer after it had been fixed. So this is a two-owner car. Of course, by law, for the manufacturer to remarket these cars and put them back for sale, they have to repair the problem. This one had a Bluetooth connectivity issue. We're going to show you the Bluetooth works just fine, and a check engine light. And we're going to show you there's no check engine lights on, and it runs and drives just fine. But it is going to be a branded title for lemon law. So how does this affect you? Well, in two ways. One is you're buying this car a lot cheaper. This car is going to be less than 30 grand. Most of these out there on the market are in the mid 30s. They book for mid 30s. But as a consequence, you're going to get a little less at trade-in time. So we like to be very honest. This is a non-smoker car. Just a gorgeous red interior. Got red stitching down there. All-wheel drive again. Comfort access. So you can just have the key in your purse or your pocket. The car unlocks itself. And this is why you buy an Alfa. I mean, the interior treatment is just beautiful. You're looking at a BMW 3 Series, maybe a 5 Series. You want all-wheel drive. Do yourself a favor, look at one of these. These are every bit as much fun to drive as a BMW. And you could maybe argue a little bit more fun. I'm really impressed with these. I'm a BMW fanboy, love BMWs. But Alfa has done a great job with these. Possibly better than BMW is doing. But you be the judge. Come in, drive them. See what you think. Sorry about the wind. Hopefully that's not too annoying. Got the books right in here.
We also have the original window sticker inside.
Yeah, what was it? Almost 50 grand, brand new.
Yeah.
And spare key, so got both remote keys.
This car is also still under factory warranty until the August of 2022.
Two sets of floor mats. Got a trunk mat. Let's take it for a spin. I said it had 18,000 miles. I lied. It has 19,000 miles, so I apologize for that. 19,070. And I forgot to mention the tires. Kind of a neat, kind of Ferrari-esque feature. You got the start-stop button right here. 19,070 miles, so it just flipped. So basically what I'm going to do, as you can see, I'm going to turn it off again. Susie, can you show the cluster? I'm going to show you that we're going to turn it on again. You can see the check engine light comes on and then it goes off. So we've got no issues that way. Heated seats, automatic climate control. Show them that the Bluetooth hooks up. Did you link this to your phone?
I have linked this to my phone. So it's currently set for Bluetooth audio.
Play us something good. Oh, some Adele, huh? Stereo sounds good. Auto climate control, heated seats. Again, all-wheel drive. And this is going to be less than 30,000 bucks. So this should be a great deal for somebody. 19,000 miles. I forgot to mention the tires. They're about half life left. Probably the original set of tires to it. Nothing to write home about, but certainly don't need tires right away. I would say here in the Midwest, depending on how many miles you're going to put on it, you may want tires before next winter.
This also has a heated steering wheel. The button is located right there, next to the heated seat button.
Just a super fun car to drive. Super torquey, and the shifting is super responsive. Like I say, you know, not trying to bash on BMW, but if you're looking for a BMW or a sports sedan, you really owe it to yourself to drive one of these. I really feel that Alfa is kind of beating BMW at their own game right now. HomeLink garage door openers. A really fun car to drive. I'm going to run it down this ramp. That is not full throttle whatsoever, but that's 70 miles an hour right there. You can see it goes straight. It's nice and quiet in here. No weird pulls or shimmies. I'm going to get on the brakes for traffic. And you can see it stops straight and true. There's no pulsations. It drives like a new car. And like what Susie said, it's under factory warranty. How much more time do they have on the factory warranty?
You have until about the end of August.
August of this year?
Yes, or until 50,000 miles. So you're probably going to be out on time before miles.
Yeah, going to be out on time first, but you got all summer to drive and enjoy it. Worry-free, factory warranty, bumper to bumper. Remember, we ship anywhere in the lower 48. If you're looking for a great deal on an Alfa all-wheel drive, here it is. Less than 30 grand, 19,000 miles. Super clean, great color combination, charcoal gray on red. EuropeanMotorsIowa.com. Call us with any questions, 319-393-8496. You can talk to Pete, Susie, or Tommy. We'd be happy to help you. Anything else you want to add? Remember, both keys, books, window sticker, non-smoker, super clean car, but remember, it's just a lemon law buyback. But Alfa fixed everything. It's ready to go. It's already had an owner after that. He loved the car. What'd they trade this on?
They bought a Jaguar, an XJ from us.
Okay.
They love their cars and they like to mix it up frequently.
Yep. So they really enjoyed this car and thought it was just a great car. I think the Jag was slightly bigger and they wanted a little bit more room, and so just decided to trade. Thanks so much for watching.